Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can share your Instagram stories to Facebook automatically. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram application and click on profile in the right bottom. Then you simply need to click on three bars on the top right and click on settings and privacy. Here you need to scroll down and here you can see how others can interact you simply need to click on sharing and remixes, and here you need to scroll down and in the bottom where you share your story and post outside of Instagram. So here you can see share story to Facebook. You simply need to turn this feature on from here. As you can see that I turn on this feature. So this is a process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.